Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can close your Shopify store and also cancel Shopify subscription. Now this is very easy and quick. I already made a video about this before, but this is a new update. In just a few seconds, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can close your account permanently and also cancel Shopify subscription, and also how you can cancel app subscriptions, because even if you close your account, let's say that you are already paying for an app, okay? Now that app is going to charge your account, is going to charge your credit card, even if your Shopify store is closed. So just pay attention to that, okay? So I'm going to log into my Shopify store right now. First thing, I would recommend going to click on your store name in the top right, and then click on manage account, okay? All right, now you want to click on security. You want to scroll down at the very bottom. You can see here logged in. Now if you are logged into the Shopify store using other other browsers or other laptops, you just need to click on log out. Now if the only laptop you see here is the one that you are using right now, don't click on log out, because it's going to log you out, okay? So if you see here multiple laptops that you use to log into the Shopify store, you just need to click on log out, okay? All right, now what you guys need to do, I'm going to go back here. First, I'm going to show you how you can you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels. All right, now if you are paying for an app, please, you need to cancel the app subscription, because a lot of people made this mistake. They closed their Shopify store, but the app subscription, they are still paying for the apps, okay? Now if you have any app here, make sure to cancel app subscription before you close your store. Please do that, okay? So if you are paying for an app, like I said, you just need to cancel subscription and also uninstall the app. All right, now after that, you want to click again on settings, and you want to click on plan, okay? If you click on plan, you just need to, as you can see, plan details. Now I'm just using a free plan for this store, because I'm just using this store for YouTube videos. Now for you will see something like cancel subscription or cancel the plan or something like that. Now for me, it says here choose plan and cancel trial. Instead of trial, you will find their cancel subscription or something like that. Click on that. It will ask you guys for the reason you are canceling, and you need to give, and then click anything you would like to add. Optional, you don't need to add anything. Click continue and click again on continue, close, and your Shopify store is not going to be active and people will not be able to access it, okay? So this is exactly, guys, how you can close your Shopify store permanently, okay? You just need to make it inactive a few days, and the Shopify store will not be used anymore. People will not be able to find it in the search results or anything like that, okay? That's exactly, guys, how you can close your Shopify store. It's very easy, okay? If you don't understand anything, probably this is confusing for you. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Let me know your questions. I reply to everyone. Please drop a like and let me know in the comments what you want to know. I will reply to you guys within a few hours. See you guys in the next video.